This intense clip starts off with a group of friends recording a bear trying to go inside a parked but occupied truck. Despite the dire situation, they make so much noise to get the attention of the predator that they unfortunately attract it towards them. After the animal goes back into the bushes, they follow with the goal of petting it and giving it more food.
Ну это что-то дохлый какой-то, он тот по пище был. Вон мамаша с воды выходит. Что-то он какой-то злой.
At first, everything seems to be going well, as the bear does not seem to mind the driver, yet moments later, something unexpected happens. Surprisingly, the driver's fingers remain intact, despite the situation they put